Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to remove a community admin in WhatsApp. This guide is based on the latest version of the app, so every step you'll see works right now. If for any reason your screen looks slightly different, don't worry, the process should still be very similar. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the community where you want to make changes. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the tab labeled Communities. This is where all your WhatsApp communities are listed. Next, choose the community where you want to remove someone as an admin. Tap on it to open the community page. Then, go to the top right of your screen and tap the three dots icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Community Info. This section shows you everything related to your community, including groups, settings, and participant details. Now, scroll down to find the Participants section. This is where you'll see a complete list of all members and admins in your community. Find the person you want to remove as an admin, and then long press on their name. Holding down for a second will bring up a set of options on your screen. From those options, tap on Dismiss as admin. You'll see a confirmation pop up asking if you really want to remove their admin privileges. To finalize the action, tap OK. The person will immediately lose admin access, but they'll still remain a regular member of the community unless you also choose to remove them entirely. And that's it. You've successfully removed a community admin in WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy process once you know exactly where to go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updated tutorials on WhatsApp and other social apps.